Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the screen recording. So you can simply find the toggle right, well, normally it will be visible here, but it looks like by default it's disabled, so let's just tap on this kind of like grid icon right here next to the settings. It will expand all the toggles and we should see it right over here. There it is. So you want to grab it and drag it over here, drop it and click on done. And now you'll have it in your notification panel toggles. So before you enable it, I would also advise to actually hold the toggle and it will take you to the settings where you can tweak it a little bit. Not much that you can actually do here, but for instance, you can change the resolution. Looks like it can only go to 720p high. It doesn't look like it shows frame rate even, so that's not necessarily the greatest sign here. So record screen tap, that is something that I'll probably disable, especially if you're trying to use this for gameplay. It will be really obnoxious. And then you can enable front camera. This is personal, like up to you if you want it or not. I assume if you enable this, it will open up a little window somewhere and just use the camera as additional to what you're doing on the screen. And from here we can basically leave this mode, and you can simply enable by not tapping on that, tapping right here. Permission required, so let's just allow. And yep, allow the storage and microphone and screen recording. Yep. And you can see it counts down, and once it has 1, it starts recording and it gives you how long it has been recording. So from here you can start doing whatever you want. And when you're trying to record games, you just can simply launch the game before you start recording. So let me just kind of, there we go, stop this, and yep, I'm just gonna go into that in a moment. So we can open up a game like so. I'm just gonna quickly show it, not gonna play it much. Network error, I guess I'm not gonna be playing it at all. Okay, leave it alone, don't spam me. There we go. Let me just try to connect to Wi-Fi quickly. So we're okay. I already needed to just turn it on, so let's try that again. Let me bring up the brightness. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna really bother with it, but you can basically launch a game, as I said, and start recording. Agree, and it gives you the same thing. Oh, actually I don't need to download the play, so that's nice. So you can see it's recording. You can move this out of the way so it's not as intrusive, and in the recording this won't be visible. This is just for you, so you can see how long it has been going on, and for you to have a quick toggle to turn it off. So I'll just give it a moment. So there's something to showcase here. So there we go. Now I have never played this, so that might not be doing very good. So you can see right now. Yeah, I just pause this right now, and here it shows up, so let's just tap on it. Okay, and there we go, that's the recording. Now the recordings can be found in your gallery, so you can find it over there. Just okay, and you can see this is the recording that I have made. Now if I actually skip a little bit, and just so you don't have to, so you can get a look at it. This is the recording. Now the frame rate actually looks really nice. I was expecting it to be something of like really choppy, but this actually looked fairly nice, so I'm pleasantly surprised by this. And yeah, there should be also another one. There we go, the one that I recorded at the first time. And just to show it off, you can find it in your gallery, and it's right here. Also in the albums, it should have like videos, there we go, videos, and you can find it in here. So that is basically everything that you could associate with the screen recording. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.